an important part of this segment. Our focus has been on getting you voices from the ground, particularly students and young people. If you walk into Jantar Mantar, it's just stunning. It just stuns you. The number of young people who have come. The number of first-time protesters who have come, and as I have been saying again and again, there are so many more. There are political parties, there are social groups, pressure groups, there are seasoned protesters. All of them are also part of this group and so many other aspects to this. But our focus remains on getting you voices, many of them first-time protesters, young kids who are just coming out for a cause that they believe is theirs. Let's listen in to one such group.
There's been Inqilab Zindabad slogans, Azadi slogans. There have been Bharat Mata Ki Jai slogans. There have been pro-Ambedkar slogans. There's been recital of the Constitution. And you can get a sense of the kind of people around from all kinds of backgrounds. Right now, the slogan that's going on is about resignation of Dharmendra Pradhan. That has been one of the demands of CJP. But let me give you a sense from some of the young girls and men who are part of this protest. What's your name and what do you do?
I'm Shabnam and I'm studying
What are you studying?
Right now I'll be studying in medical college. I took a private medical college. I do not have any hope for the government anymore.
So are you saying that you are a NEET aspirant?
I took NEET 2 years, for 2 years, 2024 and 2025.
And you've given up?
Yeah. I'm
So
not,
why are you here protesting?
because I believe in it, because the government isn't doing anything and I believe that it should be changed. I think so. They're a great inspiration for all the students who have come here and who have hope. Although NEET is more like I have lost hope because it's too high cutoff. तो इसीलिए कि मेरे को लगता है कि whatever they're doing for a great cause, I think. So yes.
You're not scared of coming here?
No, I'm not. What they gonna do? What are they gonna do? They're just gonna beat me, nothing else. They're not like I've seen students getting beaten up, their skull broken and all, but I'm not scared of it. So yes.
Shabnam, is this your first protest?
I came at 20. I came at on 20 as well.
On 20th when the lathi charge happened?
I was a victim of a tear gas, so when they were throwing tear gas, I was there. And it felt like my whole face was burning as if someone putting acid on my face. And I was not really prepared for that, whatever they're doing. And it's really shameful. I think they should take accountability for it.
So on 20th, okay, tell me something. Have you been part of protests before this? Before this NEET CJP protest, have you been part of protests?
Actually, I have been watching reels about it and supporting.
Before the CJP NEET protests, have you been part in your school, in your college? Have you been affiliated with any political wings?
When I was in school, this wasn't going on. I passed out in 2024, so this wasn't that time.
On 20th when there was lathi charge here, and today you're back again, what gives you the courage to come here? What's your family saying?
My family is supportive about it. At least my mother is. She's supportive about it. But the thing is, they want a change. They really want a change in this government, and I think there should be. If the government cannot improve, they should go down.
Sir. What's your name, sir?
My name is Himanshu.
What do you do?
I'm aspirant. I'm a government job aspirant.
गवर्नमेंट जॉब एस्पिरेंट. ये प्रोटेस्ट करके आपको गवर्नमेंट जॉब मिल जाएगी?
इसीलिए तो प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं ताकि एक फेयर कंपटीशन रहे, फेयर कंपटीशन से गवर्नमेंट जॉब ले सके. तो इसलिए लोग इकट्ठे हुए हैं और किसी पार्टी किसी से कोई मतलब नहीं है. मैं जस्ट यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स के लिए आया हूँ जो कि एक फेयर कंपटीशन रहे. बस ना पेपर लीक हो ना पैसे दे के कोई लगे. बस ये मेरा वो है पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. तो इससे मैं जनता को जागरूक करना चाहूँगा, स्टूडेंट्स को, कि स्टूडेंट्स जुड़े, बाकी और किसी चीज़ से कोई मतलब नहीं है, सिर्फ स्टूडेंट्स के लिए प्रोटेस्ट है। बाकी XYZ जो भी मुद्दे जोड़े जा रहे हैं वो सब झूठ है, गलत है, उसका कोई मतलब नहीं है इससे। ये स्टूडेंट्स के लिए, तो स्टूडेंट जरूर आए बस।
तो आपको लगता है कि अभी जो एग्जाम्स हो रहे हैं वो फेयर नहीं है?
यस, वो जो एग्ज़ाम अभी हो रहे हैं, कोई लीक, अभी आपको ही पता है जो नीट का एग्ज़ाम हुआ वो कितना गलत हुआ। इन्होंने बोला दोबारा एग्ज़ाम ले तो लिया, लेकिन किसी का 1 साल जो वेस्ट हुआ है वो दोबारा नहीं आएगा। जिसका जो टाइम पीरियड, जो उसका स्टडी करने में जो टाइम पीरियड गया है वो दोबारा नहीं आएगा। आपके लिए बहुत आसान है कहना कि वो टाइम दोबारा आ तो गया है, एग्ज़ाम दोबारा हो गया है, लेकिन वो जो मेहनत उसने करी थी वो समय दोबारा नहीं आएगा।
Right. In fact, there are some people, and I won't go that side, they don't have permission from their family and they are wearing masks, so they are turning their face away when we are trying to talk to them. You know, of course, you have a whole lot of political color around. You have Samajwadi Party leaders who have been part of this. You can see there is Kisan Sabha as well as other party colors that you can see. It's not like there are no political colors. Of course there are political colors. CJP for that matter itself says that it is a political youth movement. There are people who have come from different parts of the country. Some don't understand what's really happening here. But there are others who hold placards. But it doesn't take away from the fact that the heart of this is a group of people who are asking for reforms.
I'm Dr. Rajneesh Verma. I'm an educationist, non-medical professional. I'm an IT engineer.
What are you doing here?
See, I have come to support the cause, and it is a right cause. And I came for the first day, 6th June also. Then it started from 20th June. It has been more than a month, and I'm coming regularly over here. And I really appreciate that the protest movement is fantastic, very peaceful, very cordial. But since yesterday I found some difference, I found that the crowd which is coming looks to be little hostile and negative crowd. It looks like some agency, somebody with ulterior motives is especially sending those people over here just maybe to diffuse the protest, just to defame the protest, that majority of the students are not over here. There are other types of people who raise different kind of slogans and all those things. So that is really alarming, and it is pain to me actually. For this, in fact, I'll see if I can suggest them. My suggestion will be they should demarcate the whole area in two portions. In one area, they should allow only the students and their parents. And in the other, the general public should be allowed in the other portion, so that no untoward incidents and all those things doesn't happen.
We have come here to support the children, the future of this country. The way government is treating them, we are not happy, we are against it. So we have come here to give them support and also make sure that no such action, what happened day for yesterday, should happen to with these children.
So, in what form are you helping them here?
We, being a Sikh, we don't have to tell what form we will help them. Langar to bahut choti baat hai. Even if they need our help in any type, we will be there to save them, to protect them, and to fight for them even legally if they want.
Right. So, do you have any political affiliations?
Well, I am with Akali Dal, but I have not come here in the capacity of Akali Dal. I have come here in the capacity of a Sikh and former president of Delhi Gurdwara Management Committee. And when I was the president here, the Fauji General Sadbir Singh had the agitation. The Tamil Nadu Kisan had the this thing. We were sending every day 2,000 to 3,000 people langar over here, because they were sitting over here. They have no water, nothing to eat. So we were sending them from Gurdwara Bangla Sahib. They are not setting whatever management is there, but they are open to go to the Gurdwara. Gurdwara will never ask caste, color, creed. Whatever help they need, they will get there. Or even if they see someone with the turban, they must tell him that this is our problem, we will help them.
I think the country knows how beautifully Gurdwaras and Sikhs help everybody. But I also want to ask you a question, because you also mentioned your affiliations, political affiliations. I want to ask you a question. What would you tell to those who are saying that this protest has been politicized, has been hijacked by politics? What would you respond to something like that?
The thing is that if we are dictating them what to do, what not to do, this is from so many days. They have been sitting, they have been planning, whatever they fit right for them, they took decisions. We never came, they marched towards parliament. But what happened on the way the students and the girls, they were brutally lathi charged, tear gassed, and not even that. In a civil dress, people were there who were hitting them. I think country must wake up. Hindu Musalman band kar do, Pakistan हिंदुस्तान बंद कर दो. जो मूल हमारे हिंदुस्तान को फेस कर रहे हैं उसके ऊपर जागो, उसके ऊपर सरकार बोले, क्योंकि सरकार अभी चाहती है कि हम लंबा चलें. ये गलती इंदिरा गांधी ने की थी. इंदिरा गांधी ड्यूरिंग emergency, MISA was introduced. They can pick anybody and they can throw them to jail. Today I was reading in a newspaper that they have given special pass to Delhi police कि 1 साल के लिए उसको अंदर डाल देंगे, कोई जमानत नहीं, कोई बेल एप्लीकेशन नहीं. I think they are going the way during emergency the government of Indira Gandhi went. I think they will be on loss.